So the Florida Coral Reef Project was started by AZA and the Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission. They wanted to help curb a disease that's affecting stony corals along the Florida Reef Tract. We decided we wanted to take a part of this program because it's a very important conservation project, and it's a really good message that we want to bring here to Iowa, to our guests here at the zoo and central Iowa, and really help in what way we can. We set up coral holdings, so we have 4 systems that are completely separate from all of our other aquariums here, and we keep it completely sterile, completely separate. We use extreme biosecurity to make sure we're not cross-contaminating anything to these endangered corals. We are currently housing about 116 corals. We had 3 separate shipments planned for receiving these corals. We set up 2 shipments right away, about a week apart, from the same facility, and those corals were shipped from Marathon, Florida to Omaha, which we then took a van and loaded up. Each shipment was about 18 boxes, so we loaded up 18 boxes into our van and drove them to Des Moines. Once we got here, our first priority was to open up all the boxes, check the conditions of all the corals, make sure that they didn't take any tumbles during transport or have any issues. So once we were able to kind of open all the boxes up, get a really good visual on those corals, we had somebody take pictures of all of our corals. One, so we can send pictures back to Florida Fish and Wildlife, but also so we could keep track of the progression of the corals. And then once we were able to get all that documentation completed, we acclimated all the corals. Once that was all set and the corals were ready to go, we did one last iodine dip, which helps kind of just get rid of any hitchhikers, anything that might be invasive to the coral. We kind of knocked all those things off with a quick little bath, rinsed them off, and put them into their holding tank. So right now it's tentatively planned a 3 to 5 year goal. It's kind of a 2-part project. The first part of the project is to collect as many corals from the wild that are unaffected by this stony coral tissue loss disease and give them to AZA facilities to house them and make sure that they stay healthy and grow and are disease-free. And then the second part of that project is to figure out what is going on with this disease, how can we combat the disease in the wild and hopefully eliminate it without losing all of these important building block corals or reef building corals in the ocean.